one of the big questions that we get is how can I increase my speed and how can I increase my accuracy, okay? And one of the things that we've seen that helps our students the most is mastering their master grip and understanding the pressure that needs to be applied on both hands during that master grip. All right, so let me take you through it. All right, so master grip wise, again, when I'm coming out of my holster, one of the big things that I need to make sure is I get that webbing of the hand all the way up against the tang of that weapon, okay? All the way up, okay? So I'm all the way up here. I draw the weapon out. I do my regular presentation, okay? I draw the weapon out. All right, so you'll see my fingers on my strong side are all the way together. There's no gapping. Fingers all the way up against that trigger guard, okay? Again, you can see here, no gapping, moves in the webbing. Trigger finger is gonna be straight and off that trigger unless, again, I'm on target. Support side hand, fingers are all the way together. They're gonna be pushed up against the trigger guard here as well. Again, no gapping. Thumbs, okay? Your support side thumb, this is an important one that a lot of people leave out. Okay, support side thumb should be pressed up against the frame of the weapon. Okay, these thumbs should be stacked on top of each other, right? So I am applying pressure, okay, with this support side thumb on the frame. All right, so that is your basic master grip of where your hand should be. Now, as I'm drawing this weapon out of my holster, okay, my grip, the best way I can explain it, it's almost like wringing out a towel, all right? So I'm drawing that weapon out and I've got equal pressure. I'm squeezing both hands as I drive that weapon out. So I'm not over squeezing with my dominant side and then not squeezing with my support side. It's equal pressure, okay? As I draw, equal pressure with both hands as I get out, right? The guys that we've seen that practice that are going to drastically, okay, increase their speed because, okay, as that round goes off, they're able to bang, okay, and they're able to control that muzzle rise to make sure that their next shot, boom, is right there and ready to go. So then all we need to work on after that is our trigger reset, all right? And again, I'll do a different video talking about trigger reset.